guys, welcome to this very special video. I'm really happy to be here. I'm having a lot of fun. Look at this, I got a costume for Santa. So I actually had this costume for a while now. I used it a couple years ago with my little cousins, but yeah, Merry Christmas everyone. I would like to give you a very special announcement today, starting today, as a thank you for all of your support, as a thank you for being with us this whole year, and as a thank you, of course, because of Christmas and all of the festivities, we are going to be offering our 90% discount for all of our courses. All of our courses are going to have their 90% discount. You can find the code down here. This discount is going to be available for Udemy. You're going to be able to use the code and gain 90% off for all the courses. The Advanced Character course, the Rigging course, the Unreal Engine Environment courses, the Cinematic Lighting course, Animation courses, Rigging courses. Did I mention Rigging already? So if you've been enjoying the little series that we did with the little character, you can learn all of those techniques with more time and more in-depth information if you get any of the courses down here. For me, well, I'm having, as I mentioned, a lot of fun, and I would like to thank you guys. Really, like, I can't really say how much I would like to thank you. It's been an amazing year. We're planning a lot of amazing things for next year. I think this year we made a lot of very interesting and amazing things throughout this month. We're gonna have a recap video next week. There's still gonna be a couple more videos, but yeah, thank you guys. I really don't know what else to say. Thank you very much. Make sure to use the code if you want to get any of our courses for 90% off at Udemy. Just follow the link down here below, and well, have a really nice and amazing time with your families if you're gonna be celebrating. Oh, by the way, this code is gonna be available for the next 5 days. So starting today, December 20th, and until December 25th, which is gonna be on Sunday. My God, this beard is falling off. We're gonna have this special discount for you guys. So make sure to use it. We're gonna continue with our character as well, the little creature that we're doing, the Fogling. So yeah, enjoy guys. Thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.